Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating the audio path so the reset works. First, unplug the HyperX USB sound card or dongle from the PC port. Do this now. Once done, disconnect the 3.5 plug from the inline controller if used, then wait 10 to 15 seconds. That fully drains residual electronics. Make sure you have a different USB port ready and administrative access on the computer. This prepares both the headset hardware and the operating system for a clean reset procedure. Next, perform the hardware power cycle followed by a driver refresh. Plug the USB sound card into a different USB port and keep the inline volume wheel neutral. Then open Device Manager, locate the HyperX USB audio device or generic USB audio device, right-click and choose Uninstall Device. Check Remove Driver Files if offered. After uninstalling, restart the computer so Windows redetects the hardware and reinstalls drivers. This clears corrupt driver settings and forces a factory-like initialization. Finally, confirm the reset by configuring audio settings and testing. After Windows reinstalls drivers, open Sound Settings and set the HyperX device as default for both playback and recording. Set sample rate to 48,000 Hz for compatibility. Test audio and mic in a voice app or sound recorder. If you still have problems, try a different USB cable or port and test the headset on another computer to isolate hardware faults. If nothing works, document symptoms before contacting HyperX support for warranty guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.